We had been evaluating chat as a platform, and each year it continued to show progress into what I would call an enterprise communication tool. The more we tested it and saw the benefits, it became a no-brainer for us.
Chat really allows relationships to form between the teams that then allow the business itself to flourish, innovate, and move forward.
Collaboration is key in everything we do here at Vendasta. We make all of the products that small businesses use to run their business. We're collaborating on Google Docs, Google Meet, email. Google Chat combines all of these important communication channels for us all in one place and lets us link them together.
As a global company, we need different size spaces for different functions. So I have my on-property team, then we have our spaces dedicated to our tri-state, and it keeps on going out until we reach the global community at WeWork.
With a migration this big, your team members are going to have a little bit of anxiety. It was over 400 million messages as well as several terabytes of data.
The transition happened and everything was there. People continued messaging, they continued interacting, and the world kept going round.
At the end of the day, we were able to bring over our team members' data and allowed them to continue doing their work without even really impacting their day-to-day.
We had a really tight timeline to get from our previous solution over to chat. We completed our entire migration from choosing to do the migration to being complete in under 8 weeks. We've been 100% Google Chat for about 13 months now.
Being able to recognize over $1 million in savings each year, moving to a platform that you essentially already have and don't have to deploy is significant and almost unheard of.
Google Chat really enables me to get quick responses in real time.
Now with chat, we can have conversations in chat, we can link them directly to email conversations and docs. Smart Chips has been an amazing addition to our Google Chat and Google Meet experience, the ability to link to documents directly in our chat. These are things in Google Workspace that have really changed how we're interacting with these products.
I hop right into my facilities management chat. I do an at all. Emergency, fire hydrant emoji, light going around. I need someone to help me with a flood in the mechanical room right now. And within a minute, I had a response.
We only have to go into one admin portal. We only have one point of integration. There's not multiple hops between a chat platform and an alerting platform and an email platform.
We have a weekly all-hands meeting, 800 people, all watching the same Google Meet. We've got a dedicated space for people to make comments about what's being said in all hands in real time. Google Chat combined with our Google Meet for all hands has enabled that meeting, even at 800 employees, to be interactive and meaningful.
For me, chat is the place where I get everything done.
Chat helps my team be on top of things faster than we ever have been before.
I really do spend a lot of hours every day in chat.